As a trans woman, facial hair is a nuisance and can become a hassle to deal with over time. Fortunately, there are a few solutions to help you address the problem and achieve the hairless smooth face that you desire. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you reduce your beard shadow and unwanted dark spots resulting from shaving your facial hair. Tip 1. Use orange color corrector to reduce dark beard shadow. One of the best ways to reduce unwanted beard shadow is to use an orange color corrector underneath your concealer or foundation. The orange color helps to reduce the dark appearance of your hair's shadow and makes it easier to cover with your favorite foundation. You can apply after shaving and then cover with foundation for an immediate reduction in beard shadow throughout the day. Tip 2. Pluck or tweeze excess hairs. If you are not prone to ingrown hairs, plucking or using tweezers to remove unwanted facial hair can help to reduce the darkness caused by the hair. This works best for small areas when only a few hairs are problematic. For larger areas, this is also a solution, but can be time-consuming. Tip 3. Use a close-cutting electric or safety razor. Using a safety razor or an electric shaver allows for a closer shave. An electric razor can reduce shaving times, and since it's electric, you can use it more frequently for quick touch-ups when needed. Using a high-quality electric shaver can help you to get a clean shave and remove the dark hair shadow. Safety razors do a great job at providing a close shave. With either of these methods, you will still probably need to cover dark areas with concealer or foundation. Tip 4. Laser hair removal. One of the only permanent ways to remove and reduce the appearance of beard shadow is to get laser hair removal. Although pricey, you will start to see great results in about 10 months, and eventually you will not have to deal with having unwanted facial hair. We hope this helps you to manage or eliminate the dreaded beard shadow. If you have any tips or tricks for the community, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. For more trans beauty content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.